Hello YouTube friends, I have something a little different today. I have an unboxing. I finally got my orders from Coach and I haven't bought anything new for a little while, so um, by little while I probably mean like about a month, but um, so I thought I would just come on here and unbox it and see how that goes. So the first thing I got was the corner zip wristlet in the Rexy design by Yu. And here's the name of it. It's in the light khaki and electric pink multi. I really love my corner zip wristlet. As you guys who have watched my videos know, I always have my little light saddle leather one. Oh, this is nice. I like that color. It's kind of a raspberry leather handle on there. That is cute. And I figured I've gotten so much use out of it. I just think the size is perfect on these corner zip wristlets. Excuse my nails, they're needing a refresh, but yeah, very nice. It's padded. It's got the little card in there with the tag. And the original price is this. I did not spend that. I can't remember what I spent on this. I think it was on sale for $28 or something. Very reasonable. And there's the Creed. Cute. I wanted something in this print. I don't know why. I don't usually like the Rexy prints, but I do like this one a lot. The little teeth. That's really cute. So I will get a lot of use out of that. So it's the monogram canvas with the hot pink painting on it and a raspberry leather handle. And so the next thing I got, let's see how they packed this. It didn't really have much packing in here. They just kind of wrapped the things and put them in the box, but that's okay. It's the outlet, so I don't expect much. Oh! Oh, what's on the front there? It's got a little piece of glue. Oh, that just comes right off, luckily. Oof. It's the Sierra Satchel in black pebbled leather with the silver hardware. And there's the tag on it. $3.28. I think I got it for $1.19 on clearance or something. So let me unwrap this and then I will show you a little tour of the bag. Okay, so here we go. Got it all unpacked. I'm so glad that little glue spot is just glue that I can rub off. I was about to be angry. So this is the Prairie Satchel. The size is just what I wanted. It is a nice, kind of a medium-sized crossbody. It's got a zipper in the front. And these zipper openings are not my favorite. I don't know why Coach does that. It looks like it's snarling at you. But it should be big enough for my phone. That should be fine. It's a good size. Got the Coach hang tag. One of the reasons I bought this is because I'm just kind of gravitating towards more simple bags than designer or logo bags recently. I didn't take off that tab. But this is a nice everyday kind of bag. It's got the little seams up here. One thing I don't like is on the side here, this little seam is kind of wonky. It's kind of thicker right there. Well, that's okay. I could use some little edge coat and cover that up. But yeah, I like this, and I like the interior size of it. That's good. So you've got the Coach logo in the front. The zipper is kind of a little bit rounded. It kind of goes up, which I like. That's a cute design. And I was so happy to see the crossbody strap. One thing I was really worried about is some of the reviews of this bag, they had a strap that was not adjustable, and this one is, thank goodness. It's kind of hard to tell because online, when they're showing it, they show it one way and then they'll send it out any old way. So some of them don't have adjustable straps. And I was wondering what I was going to do if it wasn't, because I like the bag. I didn't want to send it back, but I didn't really have another strap I could use because I only have a couple black bags and they all have gold hardware. So I don't have a silver one. So I really like this. This is cute. Lightweight, and it should work out well just for a casual everyday bag. It's a size that I don't really have. It's kind of a smaller medium size, but not too small. I think everything will definitely fit. So there you go. The Coach Prairie Satchel in black pebble leather, and the corner zip wristlet in the Rexy print. Alright, if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe. Until next time.